Maria, you spelled the word understand wrongly.
Oh, sorry, Amir. I really know the spelling of the word. It's just that I'm in a hurry. My aunt asked me to do an errand very early in the morning.
Okay, guess what? I learned something new today, and I want to share it with you right away.
What is it?
Well, most of the time, we struggle with finding the right words to say, but we actually understand a lot. Lucy from YouTube suggested talking to oneself and writing things down before speaking.
That sounds helpful. How can we apply it?
To make it easy for you, let's use a specific sentence structure. I am, location, I plus present continuous verb, or the ing form plus adjective. We've been studying a lot of adjectives in school, so this is the perfect opportunity to practice them.
What is a present continuous verb? What is it?
That's a great question, Maria. A present continuous verb is used to describe an event or action that is currently taking place. You simply add ing to the base verb. Let's try it out. Imagine a very close friend, someone special who texts you a lot, asking, "Where are you? I miss you already." Now, say your response out loud. "I'm in my room. I'm calling my friend excitedly." Now, how about you? Give it a try.
I'm in my aunt's office. I'm listening to my friend intently. Intently, yes. Is that correct?
Absolutely. Why is there a lot of echo? I think you're inside the restroom. Huh. Keep going. Every time you do something today, imagine a boyfriend missing you. Bye for now.
Okay, I'm going home now. Bye, thank you. I'm at the rooftop. I'm exercising energetically. I'm in the kitchen. I am washing dishes meticulously. I'm at the park. I am walking with my dog leisurely. I'm at the supermarket. I am selecting my groceries carefully. I'm at the karaoke. I'm singing my favorite song joyfully. Wow, this is really helpful. Talking to oneself is a great way to practice speaking. And what does Grandma say all the time?
Remember, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep pursuing your dreams.
Because you are amazing! That's all, students. Now, here are 2 short quizzes for you. A scene at the beach and ordering coffee scene. It's your turn.
Hello, friends of First Fun English Stories. We want to hear from you. Leave a comment below and let us know where you're from and why you're learning English. We'd love to feature some of your stories in our next video.
Absolutely! Whether you're studying English for school, work, travel, or just because you want to. We want to create a community where we can all learn and support each other. So, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends who are also learning English.
That's right, Maria. We love to have all of you be a part of our English journey. Remember, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep pursuing your dreams because
You are amazing.